Okay, a lot of people also can speak very easily. A lot of people also saying that we are really very good at speaking while they speak in English. We are really very good how to communicate with the people. But when I just think how to interview, how to face the interviews on the video mode, it's mean that person has phobia of the camera, phobia of the video, means phobia of the facing of the people. Okay, if you are not able to face the camera, so can you think that you also can face the public as well? No, you cannot face. So definitely it is a kind of two results. First result is, first benefit is, if you are really comfortable and you are really very familiar with the camera, so definitely no one can stop you to be public speaker, to be good communicator as well, to be really very good communicator as well. Okay, so for the things, what will you do? I will not say that you will have to practice because there is no any necessary, there is no need to practice because you already awesome at speaking English. Okay, you already at speaking skill, you have really very great status of the speaking. Okay, because you can manage to yourself on the virtually platform, means virtually friends, with the virtually friends, or you also can handle to everyone while speaking English, while talking, while conversation on the phone. But what happened when you will think to face the camera, तुम्हारी फट जाती है. Sorry for that. This is the really very bad line, but yeah, everyone like this thing is happen with everyone. If that person has issue to facing the camera, so in these situations, what will you do? I will suggest you one thing, but before that, I would like to greets to everyone. Sorry. So, hello. So, my name is Mrs. Richa Chan. I am from Great India. I'm really so much love that I am Indian. I'm so much happy that when I'm just when I'm just introducing to myself, I am from India. So I just consider to myself I'm from Great India. I really love it. So you're the most welcome these sessions. Awesome Blossom English Learner. Thank you so much. Thank you to listen me, to digest me, and if I just did something wrong, please just consult to me, and definitely if I just did something is right and that message is really good, please don't wait to like my videos. Okay, and don't wait to spread this message, so that definitely, suppose that message is not really helpful for you, maybe that messages can helpful for anyone. So please just try to do that. You cannot help to anyone by the money, but you can help by the sharing of the video. If you will help a stupid messages, there is no any kind of things to sharing that thing. But if you will share this video, so definitely maybe this video can work it in any people life. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Now, phobia of the camera. How to solve this problem? If you are facing this problem, so please just try to make with me. Just try to just try to do what? Just try to stay with me till end this video, and definitely when you will listen full messages, definitely that things will work to erase your phobia of the camera. Okay, so now question is that You have really great personality. You don't have any kind of issues to speak in English. You don't have any kind of issues how to conversations, how to communicate to anyone. You are really very confident on the call, okay, on the voice call. But right now, how to face the camera? Because as you know that everything is going on, still everything is going on work from home, and for the things you will have to face the camera, and this is really very difficult for a lot of people. So it's okay, don't worry or don't take tensions, I will help you. If you are facing this problem, so but you are really very amazing, you're really rich, okay, because you're already having this language, okay. So what, how can you come to yourself from this phobia, okay. So just try to do one thing only on daily basis, only 5 minutes, only 5 minutes, you just do it. Just try to go into the room, into the bedroom, and into your room, okay, and just try to record yourself whatever you want to speak, okay. Suppose you are students, or you are a teacher, or you are a doctor, you are a lawyer, or maybe whatever you are, okay, whatever you are, okay. So just whatever you are according to your profession, okay, it's mean according to your profession, whatever, what kind of your line, your field, your professions. So according to your profession, just go into the room and just knock the door and just try to on the camera and just try to record yourself, okay. If you are a student, so of course just try to tell to yourself about the answers. Just try to ask the questions to yourself, okay. Just read the questions from the copy and just try to ask the questions yourself and just try to answer to yourself. Just think that you are a teacher and you are students, you are playing roles both, you are playing both roles. First is teacher, second is students. And after 5 minutes, what will you do? Just check it, your recording, okay. After 5 minutes, you just check it your recording and just see that you are not able to speak in English, or you are feeling hesitations, you are feeling hesitating while speaking English, you are really so much feeling with the camera. So why are you feeling like that? Just try to do that, okay. And when you will observe that your English is good, but you are not able to speak in English just because of the camera. So don't be think there is a camera, don't be think there is a reacher, don't be think there is you are yourself in front of the camera, okay. I just tell you, I just make you easy for you. What will you do while the recording? Just see yourself in front of the camera, okay. When you will see to yourself in front of the camera, so just imaginations, there is no one, there is no any camera, there is public, or there is your classmates, there is your colleagues, there is your friends, okay. Just imaginations, okay. If you are not able to make imaginations these things, okay, just forget it, okay, just forget it. Just see that you and yourself both are together, and you are talking in front side of the mirror, not camera. So okay, mirror cannot record you, but camera can record you. That's why I'm suggesting to you, just record yourself, okay. If you will talk to yourself in front side of the mirror, so definitely you cannot sort out your problem, you cannot reduce your phobia of camera. For that things, I'm just suggesting to you, just record your videos, and just after the recording, just see that videos and just try to capture your lacking of point. If you are lacking at the speaking, if you are lacking at the facing to yourself, or if you are lacking to make eye contact, if you are lacking that you are really actually good speaker on the call but you are not good speaker in front of the camera. Okay, so like after the recording, just try to think and just try to watch your videos and just try to capture your lacking of point. And if you are lacking those points, making eye contact, speaking in English, to face yourself, to feeling hesitations, to feeling lose the confidence, to feeling so much high confidence, yours really so much exciting. Okay, if you just like suppose you just take it 5 lacking of point. In 5 of lacking of point, if you just got one quality in you while the speaking in English, while the communicate yourself in front of the camera, if you got it one quality, it's mean you are okay, you are completely okay. Okay, and for if you have 4 lacking point, so of course you are a student, you are not a T-Smart Khan, you are not a Superman, you are also human being. So of course these things can learn how to face the camera. Okay, so after the recording, what happened, you can get your lacking point and you just work out on your lacking point. If you just think that you are not good at make of eye contact, just try to see while the speaking to yourself, to see in front of the camera, just see while the speaking to see the camera. Okay, second thing is, if you're feeling hesitating to yourself, so why are you so much hesitating? Why are you? What is the meaning here to hesitate yourself? Okay, so don't be hesitate. This is not actually, camera will not eat you. Camera will not consume you. Camera will give you priority. When you will making really very good eye contact, you really good perform. You also can give you really very best recording. You also can be happy to see yourself. Oh my god, this is you actually in the video. You also gonna happy. Okay, so just try to do that. And definitely in a beginning of time, nothing is easy, but everything can be easy if you want. It's depend on your trust, only and only on your trust. How much do you trust on yourself? It's up to you. It's not on me. I cannot do that. I can give you solution. I can give you suggestions, and behalf of the suggestions you can do. You can improve yourself. But first step, you will have to take it. You will have to take it first step. And which is the first step? First step is it. Just try to record yourself. Don't be think that you just wearing the really very good dresses. You just make your hairstyle. Just don't forget all things. Okay, just focus on your speaking. Okay, and just focus on your body structures as well. Just focus on your speaking. Just focus on your way of the speaking. You are speaking so slowly, so sweetly, so sour, so sweeter, so rudely. Okay, so just try to capture your emotions as well, and just try to work out on the emotions as well. If you just thinking that right now you have need to speak a little bit rude, so just try to speak, okay, according to your situations, according to your target. Okay, and if you think now I have need to speak a little bit loud, little bit politely, so just try to speak very politely, very peaceful. When you just speak very politely with peaceful, definitely this thing will give everyone very positive vibes, seriously. And if we will give positive vibes to someone, everyone loves you, everyone so much exciting to get this company. because especially nowadays everyone wants positive vibes, positive person, peaceful manner, everyone want to do that. If you want, please just try to do that. Okay, so for the things, what will you do? Just try to start the recording, just try to see yourself, okay, and just try to be happy yourself that you are really very amazing. And if you are not amazing and you are feeling so much lacking of the point, just working on this skills. And when you be habitual with the camera, when you be familiar with the camera, definitely that thing will work in the future. I would like to say one thing, only one thing, please just try to listen. You know, if you just start any kind of thing and that thing is really really new and that thing is actually unfamiliar with you, that thing is unknown for you, so what do you think? If you talk to anyone, that person is unknown in your life, so you will talk very comfortably, you will talk very friendly with that person? No, you cannot do that. On the first conversation you cannot say are yaar aja like that. No, you cannot say like this. If that person is similar at your age, okay, if that person is in, suppose you are in graduations, okay, you are in the college, okay, and if you are talking with someone on the call, okay, and that person is unknown for you, you don't know about that person, but you are talking that person, so what do you think? You just talk with that person very formal way or informal way? Obviously you talk with that person very formally, okay, very formal way. Why you just prefer to talk with that person as formal way? Because it's your etiquette, how to convey the people. And after sometimes when you just get you just got it some things are really very positive vibes, and you will become on the comfortable zone. Same things when you just start your phobia of the camera, when you just start your when you just started your practice with the camera, so definitely in a beginning of time you also can think camera is for me as an unknown friend for me, as a stranger for me, but I will be friendship with this camera, I will be familiar with that camera. How? When I will give the time to myself to the camera. When you will give the time to the camera, definitely you will be friend, you will be familiar, you will be so much comfortable with the camera. So for that things you will have to promise to me that you will have to do that, and this is your work, that from today just start the practice and just start the recording to yourself. Just give the priority to yourself in front of the camera and just try to talk with your camera friend. Okay, just try to think this is not camera, this is your friend. Okay, so for that things now I'm going, and before going I want to remember to you one thing, only one thing. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, dislike, whatever you want to do that according to your message. If you are getting really very good messages, so just try to do like and spread the message,